Good morning, guys. Welcome to vlog number 34. This is not going to be a regular motor vlog. This is a product unboxing and a review. I have a Mahindra Thar and I wanted to increase the power of my vehicle, and I didn't want to do any major mechanical modifications to the Thar. So I came across this product called Windbooster. It's developed and marketed by a brand called Gang of Thars. And basically what this is, it's an advanced throttle enhancement system that alters the throttle response. So it's a plug and play device. I'll quickly unbox the video. I'll show you what it is, and then I'll probably make a review once I have it installed on my Thar. I'll show you how it looks like once it's installed, and also I'll do a brief driving review and showing you what the modes are like and everything. So a quick unbox. That's the box it comes in. It's got this mirrory finish. In fact, the light's shining on it, so I don't know if you can see it, but it says Windbooster on it. I'll quickly unbox it. It comes like in a jewelry box that made it look a little fancy. And this is the device. This is the module. These are the couple of plugs. It's a very simple plug and play. So what happens is that this is a male and female coupler. This goes on top of the accelerator pedal in the Thar, and most cars they have a little accelerator module which connects to the engine, which gives throttle control. So this will just plug and play the male and female, and this comes with a little lightning cable which plugs into this device. This is the display device. This is what controls, and that's simple, and then you can paste it or put it anywhere. It comes with a 3mm tape at the back. To tell you what it is, once you plug this in, this comes with 12 driving modes, anything from normal driving mode to drag race, so anything driving. So all that will come later when I review the product and once I have it installed in the Thar. Thanks guys for tuning in. I'll catch you later in the video. Morning guys, this is in continuation to my vlog that I made yesterday, the unboxing of the Windbooster. I've just finished my walk, morning walk at Lodi Garden, and I've got the Thar today, so it looks like it's being set up now. Yep, so this is the accelerator pedal, and that's right up there. This, where my finger is pointing, that's the module that's been connected there. I don't know if you can see it clearly, but those who know, who bend down and look at the Thar or any other car, they can figure out that this little thing dangling there is that Windbooster. That's the module. Anyway, and then there's a wire running which goes into the display, which we've routed through the plastic paneling, and we fitted the display right there. So the camera flash is on, must be reflecting a bit, but that's how we wired it, and the wire goes through the panel, the steering column behind that. So just want to show you what it looks like when it's fitted in the car. I'm going to drive the car now, and we'll try out a few modes and see how it works. Okay, so I've sat in the car now. I've switched on the car, the ignition is on. That's what the module looks like. It's on normal mode right now, and we're going to drive and see how it feels in normal mode. So I'm driving the car in normal mode, and the car feels absolutely normal, the way it is without any module, the way the stock Thar was. Though my Thar is not stock because I've got a full system on my Thar and I've got the air filter job done. So these are all the modes. I'm just kind of going through them. Normal, and I think Boost Plus. Yeah, sorry, not race mode, it's called Boost Plus mode. So I'm going to drive in this and see what it feels like. ये तो बहुत फर्क है यार, ये तो कमाल हो गई. Oh wow, okay, it's become a rocket. I have just put the car on rally mode, and I think this is probably the fastest mode on this. It is like a rocket having in rally mode, and this is, I don't know if you can hear the engine and the exhaust. Oh, this is like a rocket. I've put the car on drag mode, and it's 0. I'm going to try how fast it can get to 0 to 80 seconds. I'll do in the video. I'm starting now. 1, 2, 3, and here we go. This is in drag mode. Hey, So the clip you saw before this, I put the module, the got boost in drag mode, and I did like a 0 to 100 speed. I'm sure you must have seen it. I'll put a little timer there. What I calculated was it did 0 to 100 in 11 seconds. Now this is without tampering with the engine, without increasing the brake horsepower, without doing any kind of mechanical modifications to the vehicle. It is just, we are only enhancing the throttle input with that module. It's amazing. I think on paper, this is a petrol Thar, so on paper the 0 to 100 should be, I think it is around 13 and a half or 14 seconds, or around 13 seconds, and I've got a gain of maybe about 2 or 3 seconds. I could have, so I didn't have enough space there. I could have, if I had more tarmac, I could have done a better job. But this was just a random thing. Anyway, I don't promote speed or driving that fast. But this is just to show you guys that it does make a huge difference. Not that you're going to be driving in drag mode throughout, but this is what it is. So I'll catch you guys in a bit. Take care. Bye. I want to go through them. So guys, check it out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link in the description of what this module is. There are lots of videos. You can Google them. You can YouTube the videos. You'll find lots of stuff online about the got boost. So this is what it is. Thank you for tuning in. If there's anything, I'll make a long-term review also, but this is the second time I'm driving the car with this, and I'll see how it fares in the long run, if it lasts, if it gives me any problem, and or if it is all positive and all electricals in the vehicle. Alright guys, take care. Signing out. Most unusual, first of its kind, an unboxing and review video. Many more to come. Stay tuned in, and this one should be out in a few days. Take care guys. Bye.